How to view your YouTube subscribers on your mobile device. Viewing who is subscribed to your channel on desktop is relatively easy, but for some reason you're not able to do this through the YouTube app. I'm going to show you a way to work around this and view your subscribers on your mobile device. Okay, straight into it. Okay, so first what you need to do is actually get out of the YouTube app and go to a browser such as Chrome. Then when you're in Chrome, you need to just navigate to youtube.com like I've already done here. Next, what you want to do is click on the three dots in the top right hand corner, and near the bottom there where it says desktop site, check that box. So this has taken me to the desktop version of the site, but I'm still on my mobile device. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on the top right hand corner there where you can see my profile picture. It's pretty small on the screen, but it's in the usual place. Then it brings up this menu, and next I'm going to click on the one that says YouTube Studio. I'm just going to zoom in, but you'll see this is just the YouTube Studio. It's got your channel dashboard, but down here in the middle bottom part of the screen it shows you your recent subscribers. So what you can actually do is click on See All, and then this is showing me the people who have subscribed to my channel in the last 90 days, but it has the option in the right hand corner here to actually click on that drop down arrow, and then you can click on lifetime. So click on lifetime. That's going to show me everybody who's subscribed to my channel. Now this won't actually show everyone, it only includes users who have made their subscriptions public. So if somebody's keeping their subscriptions private, then there's no way of seeing that, but this gives you a good idea who's subscribed to your channel. And that's all it takes to view your subscribers on your mobile app. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment below if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.